Come back. Here's the part most people don't believe until they experience it. And then they go, oh, wow, weird. Because nervous systems synchronize, they can also stabilize each other. This is called co-regulation. In a sense, what's happening in the dysfunction of your marriage is co-regulation, but it's like negative co-regulation. What I want to describe to you is how your nervous systems between you and your partner can co-regulate in a positive, constructive, and kind of repairing way. So here's the thing. When one partner becomes regulated, and I want to be clear, truly regulated, not suppressing, their calm becomes contagious because the other nervous system is constantly asking, the nervous system, so unconsciously, that your partner is asking, am I safe? And when your partner's nervous system no longer is detecting threat, it downregulates, it downshifts. This is just simply biology. It's not compliance. As a point of reference that you'll probably relate to and understand, if you have children, if you think back to when your child was very, very young, when the child was upset, what you did is you picked up the child and you held the child. And for sure, the physical tactile contact helped. But the major difference maker is that your child perceived your calm nervous system. Nervous system entrainment happened. Such a super fantastic, super amazing, super wonderful. That's between mother and child, call it co-regulation. But exactly the same thing can happen in your marriage. It's biology. This is the kind of work that we focus on inside the Detox Your Marriage school community and in the coaching service that we offer. Real nervous system training, not emotional endurance, and not more tactics and strategies on how to say it this way and don't say it that way, how to respond when he's being a jerk. That stuff doesn't work. You know that by now. If you want to learn how to do this without losing yourself and without losing the marriage, if you want to hold on to the marriage, the link is below for the Detox Your Marriage school community. That's your starting place. Now, I want to speak to a question that you're probably asking yourself right now, because we've heard it time and time again. Women often say, like, why should I be the one to regulate? That seems so unfair. But here's the truth. The person who regulates first gains clarity, choice, emotional power. It's actually the emotional upper hand. Not that this is a power game. Peace, regardless of the other person's mood. And so at the end of the day, this is leadership, not submission. So again, most couples don't fight because they're incompatible. They fight because no one was taught how nervous systems work in relationships. When you stop co-escalating, the nervous system has to change because it's a system. If you're ready for that shift, you're welcome inside the Detox Your Marriage school community. You can also reach out and book a 15-minute quick start call. This is a calm, private conversation where we discern what's going on in your relationship and we give you direction. Both of the links are below for those two things. And why not reach out? Life is short and we don't know how long we got, and it's a shame to live in survival mode. See you then.